I'll be going over the umpire process for word count. So we're given a long text string. Count the number of occurrences of each word. Ignore case. Assume the boundary of a word is white space, hyphen, a, space, comma, or a line break denoted by /n. Ignore all punctuation, such as period, comma, the squiggly line, question mark, and exclamation mark. Assume hyphens are part of a word. 2-year-old and 2-year-old are one word, and 3 different words respectively. Then we want to return the word count as a string formatted with line breaks in alphanumeric order. Okay, so I'll start with the understand step. So for understand, our input is that we're given a long text string, then our output is that we want to return the word counts as a string formatted with line breaks in alphanumeric order. Okay, so word counts formatted as a string with line breaks, and we also need alphanumeric order. So I think it just means the order that they come to us in the text string. So for this first example, let's see the input. So I'll go down here. So I've got a lovely bunch of coconuts, D, D, L, D. Here they are, all standing in a row. Bum, bum, bum. Okay, so for that one, we have, so we get that input. And then after that, our output is just every word, right, with the number of word counts. So I've one, got one, A2, lovely one, bunch two, and then we just keep going and we ignore punctuation. In this case, we're given I do not like green eggs and ham, I do not like them, Sam I am, right? So we have all of them. We're given all the words, we have all of them here, and then we have the number of word counts, and then they're all lowercase also. So do like eggs, Sam I am. So we have do like eggs and Sam I am. Okay. And then yeah, it's a lot of text, so I'm not going to put all of it. But in terms of matching, let's see. So I haven't seen this problem before, but I have worked on the previous problem, so I'm probably going to use like a dictionary. We'll probably need the lower function. We'll probably have to like use tokens again, so split. And also we need to ignore punctuation, so probably strip would be best for that. Alright, so the plan is I want to first tokenize the string, and then I want to loop through the tokenized string. I want to then remove punctuation. So I tokenize a string. So before the loop, I'm gonna actually need to have a dictionary, right, to keep track of every word and the number of word counts. So create an empty dictionary, and then remove punctuation, and then I want to check if word is in dictionary already. If not, create key and value, otherwise update value, right? And from here, so I want to create an empty string. So create an empty string. And then I want to loop through the dictionary. From there, I want to make every key lowercase, and then add every key and value to the string in the correct format. So we just need the space, right? Format. We also need a new line every time we add a word in its word count. And add a new line also. And from there, we should be able to return the string, and that should have the words and the value, I believe, for every word and value in the text that we're given. Okay, so let's see. So I'll go ahead and try to do the implement part. So first we want to tokenize the string. So tokens equals text dot split. Then from here, I want to create an empty dictionary. So we need a dictionary. Then we want to loop through that tokenized string. So for I in tokens. And then we want to make every word lowercase. So say like lowercase string equals I dot lower, and then we check if it's in the dictionary, lowercase string, or if it's not. So if it's not in the dictionary, then we want to create that key and value. Otherwise, if it is, then we just want to update the value. Okay, and now we have our dictionary, and then so we need to add it to a string. So we can have results as our empty string, and then I want to loop to the dictionary for j and tick dot keys. Want to make every key lowercase and also add it to the string. So we can just do result plus equals j. Oh, we made it lowercase already. So, so I got mixed up. I mean, you could probably do either way, but this should probably be without punctuation first. So we'll use the strip method to take away the punctuation, and then it gave it to us here in the problem, which punctuation marks we don't want to see. So I'll just copy this. Okay. And then I need to give it as a string. Okay, and then yeah, so we could say clean string. Okay, and then this one, so yeah, I'll just lowercase it, make sure that there's some white space in between, and then We also need to have the value, so I want to cast it to a string and then get the value. And also we need a new line after every word and word count. So I'm going to try to add a new line after every word and word count. Okay, and then this should be it, I believe. So from here we can just return results. I'll go ahead and try it. str dict j. str j dot lower plus, oh, I forgot the plus here. Then let's see. Clean string I fdict clean string. Oh, it should just be checking the string. So if the string's not in the dictionary, then you create it. Then otherwise you update it, right? Let's see. All right, nice. Yeah, so looks like this solution works. In terms of evaluate, I believe that this is kind of a large time complexity. I think it ends up being O(n) squared. I think because we have this loop here, and then I think because we're using strings, and whenever we add a new string, we need to like create that new string. So I think because of that, it ends up being O(n) squared. Then in terms of space, I believe this is O of n. We have this dictionary here, then theoretically it could be as long as our input if we only have like one of each character, and then our result is definitely, so I think because of that it ends up being O of n in like the worst case, because result is based off the dictionary too, and then it could also be as long as our input depending on the kind of text that we're given. All right, thank you. That's my Umpire process for word counts.